Is it bath time for all the babies? Their little belly button fell off. That's good. The belly buttons are coming off. Pottying the babies. Bathing the babies. Everybody gets cleaned up, huh, Mama? What you doing over here, sleepies? Tucking your head? What are you guys doing? Sleeping? They just all sleep, Mama. That's all they do. They just sleep and sleep. Hey, Mama. There's a cute little baby face. Hi, little baby face. Cute little spotted belly. Hey, little spotted belly, Mama. Yeah. Because she's a beautiful. She's a beautiful mama. Yeah, you are. The good girl. Yeah. Yeah, so good protective mom. Yeah, you are.